what we presented, sir?
I think we will be, rather than giving general feedback, we will try to give, I mean, along with the presentation. So let's do this way. If a point could be presented, or we can do, I think it's already live now. So I feel we
Yes, sir.
can start a session formally.
Okay, sir. So we have to show the document, sir.
Uh, I think let there be introduction of the session, that what is the session all about, right? And then
Okay.
we will go about the deliberation.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
To,
So let you first introduce that what the session is all about, what is the project name, and then so
okay, sir.
after formally introducing the subject, then we can go for the deliberation.
Okay, sir. Soumya, start it now. Soumya Srikanth, you can start. Soumya?
Uh,
Two
Yes,
more.
ma'am.
You can start it, ma. Just introduction, sir is asking about our project. Srikanth.
Yes, ma'am. As
Actually, one more person is missing, sir. From star, that person's health was not good. That's why he was not able to attend today this meeting, sir.
but he could have attended from his house. What's the problem?
He's saying that he's in hospital, sir.
Oh. I'm very
That's why he
sorry.
couldn't attend, sir.
I think he should take care of his health
Yes,
before.
sir. Maybe
Okay,
one of
so
his. Yes.
uh, uh, let me put this way, that you first tell what was the subject title given to you. Then we
Yes.
can say discuss on each point. And
Yes.
if you are not feeling comfortable, then I can give you my views about whole thing.
No, sir, they already started, sir. Some part of the implementation also done, sir, by our students. So
Okay.
today they will be giving you that means what till now what they have done. They want to discuss that thing about the project for you to you, sir. So
Okay,
now she
so
will
till
be giving.
till 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 that they are setting wall in motion, I think as you suggested, let me first brief you, right?
Okay, sir.
I have first of all, let me say that it is a very good literature review, literature survey, and
Yes.
it is a quite all encompassing. I was literally getting little confused that what was the topic allotted to the group, because it was quite comprehensive. It was touching many subjects simultaneously. So I was uh, really, sometime I was not in position to make out what exactly was the title. But anyway, let me at outside let me say that very good work done, and it is much broader than the subject which was allotted. So it is a matter of great satisfaction, and it is a matter of great recognition and appreciation that team has done wonderfully well. That is my first and reaction to the whole thing. Uh, Now I would like to comment so that it will set some wall in motion. It is touching about the CCTV. It is touching about the criminal database, criminal clusters,
Yes,
hotspots.
sir.
It is also talking about the facial expression. It is talking about the reading of the number plates. It's talking of the vehicle recognition. It is talking
Yes.
of the making use of the MNIST data set. So the
Yes, sir.
data set is capable of handling even handwriting. Then it is talking of vehicle detection. It is talking of the number plate detection. Then it is talking of machine learning algorithm. Uh, So to detect the variables on the number plate, and then face recognition and facial expression, and it is talking about the database, it is talking about the database structure, it is also talking about uh, from where to get data sets, and finally the algorithm and technology which will be used. And they have spoken about the certificate of integrity. So when they were talking about the certificate of integrity, probably they got a little confused. So I will elaborate that point. And
Yes.
how it works as a in short. So there is a web page, they say. Basically, policing. I want that whatever we are developing, we will say it is a kind of a back-end tool which can run on any front-end application. So whether it is on a web portal, whether it is a app, our application should be neutral and adaptable for all kind of the front ends.
Okay,
This
sir.
is very important observation. So if you are comfortable, you can begin with web portal, so that if you feel that web portal might be comfortable for you, but then you need not to forget that we are developing backend services, and it should be front end neutral. Front end neutral means it should be operable on any Android device, it should be operable on any iOS device, it should be operable on web page and things like that, and interchangeability should not be an issue. Number one.
Okay, sir.
Number two, the backend engine has to be very smart. And here we would like to say the front end people may not be having powerful smartphone. So can we manage with the thin front end and rich back end? So it means we would be, now these are the general things. This will be applicable for all modules, all applications. I mean, it is not about your project. These directions are the general directions which I would like to place it on this.
Okay.
Right? So we have to make it sure that the people, those who are not having the very thick or very costly smartphones, or still they should be in position to do reasonable job. And that is only possible if the majority of the things are sitting at the cloud or database side, and a lot of computing which is to be done. More computing should be done at the database side, so that we can manage with the thin front end. Okay. Uh, Now we have to talk about how we can help various players. So now very important journey, whatever we are capturing, though our technology may be doing a wonderful job because we are employing n number of technology. We are employing, as you have already listed, we are talking of the face recognition, we are talking of the face expression, we are talking of the gestures, we are talking of the gait. Then you yourself said we are talking of the micro expressions. So there could be the local expressions, and then we can really make a lot of decision out of it. Then we are talking of the apparel, then we are talking of vehicles, then we are talking of baggage and accessories and associates also. So it means these things will be captured. They will be captured by the various devices placed across. The person will be identified, and then they will try to sit into the database, and things would be protected with the date and time and location stamp, and with the hash value. So it should serve the dual purpose. Number one, it should make a rich data set. At the same time, we are all the time bothered about or concerned about the evidence value. So we want, and wherever is possible, a local certificate of the integrity or hash value would be created, and blockchain technology can be used for when there is a movement of this to some other devices, even it is intact and there is no manipulation in between. No technology has been used for the manipulation. So that kind of the has matching has to be done, and then then sort of a integrity certificate could be created. This integrity certificate is not for talking of the criminality, because probably here you misunderstood the integrity and honesty in that context. It is not integrity and honesty in that aspect. It is the integrity of the evidence. It means evidence is pure and no manipulative technology has been used to manipulate that evidence. So, as I was saying, that I will explain, probably the certificate of integrity has been not properly understood. Here, when we talk of the integrity, we are talking that the evidence is pure and no technology. Technology may be available for manipulation, like deep fake and any other technology, but no technology has been used to manipulate evidence, and there was no opportunity of doing so. So at each point, hash value will be checked and a certificate would be created that the hash value is the same. Even whatever we are doing, we will be doing with the by copy. So even our processing, our things should not change the hash value of our original evidence. So we will be operating on the copy of that evidence rather than on evidence itself. So that will help us that to prove that nothing has been done, and whatever the evidence had been captured is pure, its integrity is guaranteed. Basically, all the time we are bothered about the three certificates. Number one certificate is the integrity. Then second certificate is about the admissibility. So we will be all the time will be saying whatever the evidence we are pushing, under which section it is being admissible and how it is admissible. So that's why we are creating a kind of a admissibility certificate. We must not forget that deciding its admissibility, it is a judicial function and it has to be done by the judge. But what we are doing, we are trying to help out that judge by producing that certificate and telling him, yes, it is admissible, and you also apply your mind and then give the decision in our favor that it is admissible. Then third aspect, that is the certificate of chain of custody. So whenever there is a physical movement of physical object or maybe digital object, we have to create a chain of custody so that we can say when the any article or any digital document or anything, when it was moving, it remained in the custody and there was no scope of any mischief, any manipulation, any change. Hence, once we could establish chain of custody, only then the result of the expert opinion, result of the test, FSL experts, question document expert or electronic experts, their evidence will have the only value if that whatever we captured from the scene or from during the investigation, that stay pure. So these three certificates are very, very important certificate, and during the process in database we will be keeping these certificates, and then they will be tagged with the evidence. If the evidence is going to the court, this certificate will automatically will move along with that evidence, because what I am envisaging that we will be having plenty of evidences with us in time to come, and we do not need so much of evidence to prove our case. So we will go to the court with limited evidences so that court can decide the case fast. If it has to examine more evidences, then it will be taking longer duration. So a meaningful thing has to be done at our part to say how much evidences should be pushed to the court, and so that the court can decide fast. Just for the sake of your information, nothing to do with your project, we are working on how we can help out magistrate or court in issuance of their summons and warrants also. So we are saying that we will capture the convenience of the witness. We would try to figure out even that also. So a witness is doing very important job for the system. They are basically the people. Without them, we could not prove case in the court. So let's have the respect to the witness. Present system, they are not They are treating everybody alike. That even in the court, the respect is missing. So, with this process, what we are saying, number one, why the witness need to come into the court. Number two, can we treat him with the dignity and respect? Number two. Number three, can we really accommodate the personal problem of the witness? So the witness can be even give the detail ki sir that I am not available on this date because मेरे बहन की शादी है, मेरी बिटिया की शादी है, or I am having this commitment or that commitment. Not general, but the commitments which cannot be changed by the witness or by that person. If we can factor in those details, then a kind of a calendar would be in front of the judge at the time of deciding at what date the trial is taking place. So those dates will be blocked where that witness is not available. So by doing so, that judge can only choose the dates which are available. Hence, without telling, we could accommodate the requirement and convenience of the witnesses to a great extent. So this will become a very user-friendly judicial system. And then from there, the summons and warrant will be generated. The moment judge put his seal and signature, it will become a proper challan. Then it will be routed through our app to the person to whom it is issued, and then there will be mechanism to generate its compliance that it had been executed. So that proof will then go to the court. For example, if by any reason, if the person is not having the smartphone or he is not connected through the app, then the same process will be routed to the volunteer and he will be getting a revenue stream for that. And then he will be the nearest person with and who is the trained and then he can go and then execute those summons and warrants. When even we are not in position to do it through volunteer, then as a last resort it will go to the police, and then we will help the police also to execute it expeditiously, and then the compliance will be sent to the court. So we have helped the court in issuance of the summons, warrant and processes. We have helped in its execution also, and then we are going for helping the court by devising a video trial, so that without, say in first certainty we are saying certainty of registration of offence without going to Thana. Now we are saying trial of a case without going to court. It means judge will be sitting in his chamber, his PA will be sitting in his chamber, prosecution or prosecutor, he will be sitting in his chamber, defense lawyer may be in his chamber, and witness may be at any third place which is convenient to him, and from where he will be deposing about the case. While he will be deposing the case, there will be many processes to identification protocol. Then he is no fear, nothing has been done to him. So that a kind of a protocol which will decide that he is not under any duress, he is not under any threat, he is not under any pressure. And when these two protocol will do their job, then the witness will be going to the witness box, which is again a chamber in which cameras and things are fitted, and a video trial will be held. We can even help the court. Defense lawyer is crossing their limit, and probably we would be in position to take if the conduct of the defense lawyer is contemptuous to the court, we can take it to the court that hey, he has committed your contempt, probably take cognizance. And if we feel that the conduct of advocate is somewhere violating the ethical code, so there is a bar association to take care of that. So the system would be then going to the bar association and will say, hey, your advocate has done this violation and you may like to take the cognizance. And if there are sufficient number or all historical database will also be there, so then we can push that database also. The purpose of this explaining that we are changing the very dynamics, and you people should know what is in the back of my mind and how the other modules are being created. because whatever I am telling to you, these modules are under creation under different university. But you should know that kind of the system is under creation. At this stage, I would like to stop and I would like to listen your presentation. You do it quickly because I have already gone through your presentation. And then you quickly come. What are your doubts? How can I help out to do a better job? So I would like to focus more on mentoring part of it rather than taking full discourse. Because if we were taking full discourse, it will be taking longer time. We can avoid that longer time. So we can, while making a presentation, quickly come on the point. What you, if you are having any doubt or if you want any suggestion or you want any guidance, so we would be in position to do a smart job. Is it making sense?
Yes, sir.
जो भी मैंने आपको एक्सप्लेन किया वो
yes, sir.
समझ में आ गया है, आपको ठीक लग रहा है?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. But my students have done some part of this, sir. They will tell what they have done, sir, and they will ask what remaining doubts they have, sir. So I'll request Soumya, Dinesh, and Shrikant to what you have done till now. Just explain to sir what you have done till now. Yes, Dinesh, you have created some database now. Just explain about the database now. What you have created.
Ma'am, I just created the structure of the database. It's not complete. Sir.
That's what, just you tell to sir. He will give suggestions or if anything he is expecting more, he will tell. Na? Sir will tell. Na? Sir left the. Yeah. Sir left that.
He left him.
Okay. Okay, ma. But now Ayush also told something, ma. He told that maybe you or Shrikant will explain that. So if you tell that one, if we are going in the right way, we can complete this project, ma. Or else again, if sir will give some more requirements, ma, then we can go with that. Let
Yes,
sir come. Let sir come, ma. Just what you have done, na, you just explain to sir.
Okay, ma'am.
Shrikant, what this Ayush has given, na, just try to explain that, ma. And Soumya.
Ma'am, first should I give what we have done, ma'am?
And you told us
Overall,
Jishan has told you what facial recognition. Just like three of you
Yes,
tell
ma'am.
what you have done till now, ma. So let us see what sir will give the suggestions. At least we have done some part.
Ma'am, I'll start. Ma'am, I'll start
Yes.
what we have done up to now. Then Dinesh will continue with the database.
Okay, fine, no
and
problem.
Shrikant will continue.
Okay, then. Let sir comes, then start your explanation.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, they will continue, sir. Yes,
Okay.
Soumya.
Yes, sir. So what we have done is, sir, so we have done facial recognition by using one-shot learning by training few images, sir, so that we can recognize the person where he has been, and we can identify the person where he has been. And then we are working on the gait recognition, sir. And we are also doing number plate detection. For example, if the person has the same vehicle, like he's having same vehicle, we can identify the vehicle where he's traveled. And the database is done by Dinesh, sir. Dinesh would continue.
Your name is Soumya. What is your name, Bete? Soumya.
Soumya, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
This is a very important point. Here, we are interested to read number plate, but we are more interested to read violation of number plate. So,
Yes, sir.
are you creating details if there is a violation in number plate? So, number plate may be readable, but it may not be as per
Yes,
the
sir.
government notification. So, government notification says if it is two-wheeler, what should be the height, what should be the width of the each letter. Then it is
Yes.
talking about even for the four-wheeler, for the light and vehicle, for medium-sized vehicle, and for the heavy vehicles. So there is a detailed guidelines. What should be the font? Because font you
Yes,
cannot
sir.
change font, you cannot
Yes,
have
sir.
the artificial font. So while you are doing this, At the same time, I am interested that can we create a report when number plate is not as per the government notification?
Government.
Yes, sir.
So, is it doing that?
Currently, we have not thought about it, sir. We can do it, sir, if we try.
Yes, sir, we'll give it a
But
try.
that should be done. Now, basically, what we can do, we can put that this is the number plate which we had. Now,
Yes, sir.
ideal number plate should be like this because say we know that it is a two-wheeler and it is a four-wheeler or whatever, and then ideally speaking, this should be the number plate, right? Then we can superimpose both, and we can say here it is not matching. So where the law is violated.
Yes, sir.
If there cannot be any marks, there cannot be any strip, there cannot be any store, nothing could be written on the number plates. So if something is written, it will encircle it. This is the violation.
And
So,
repetition of number
so
is
then-
also possible, na sir? Repetition
Pardon
of repetition of means someone registered number, maybe the criminal may use the same registered number. Sometimes it is possible, na sir?
correct.
Yes,
So
sir.
it means he is putting a wrong number plate. एक मिनट. हेलो. हाँ नमस्कार अनिल. हाँ 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 उसमें ऑलरेडी लगा हुआ है. अच्छा मैं अभी भिजवाता हूँ आपको. बल्कि ये काम करो, एक बंदे को भेज दो तो हम उसके हाथ में दे देंगे. अच्छा चलो मैं भिजवा दूँ. मेरे ख्याल से आप भेज दो, ज्यादा बेटर रहेगा, है ना. और देन अपन फिर डिटेल में बात करते हैं, ठीक है ना. हाँ भेजा है उसको. तो अभी मैं पीए को कहता हूँ और वो कर देंगे. अभी जस्ट कराता हूँ, ठीक है ना. राइट. ओके थैंक यू. there's some important thing, so sorry for एक मिनट.
Yes, Soumya, continue.
एक मिनट. सौम्या just hold on.
Yes,
Rather
sir.
I am muting. Okay. Yeah, there was something urgent, so I had sorry for interruption.
Okay,
And
sir.
now you can go ahead. So what I would like that these the variation, it is a violation. So we would like that this violation should be captured and should be converted into a challan, or just
Yes, sir.
and just like जैसे हम FIR भेज रहे हैं, ऐसे ही हम इस चालान को कंपिटेंट अथॉरिटी को भेजना चाहते हैं. जैसे ही कंपिटेंट अथॉरिटी, आर यू कंफर्टेबल विद हिंदी?
Yes, sir.
should I?
I can understand it, sir.
Okay. So जानबूझ के हम थोड़ा सा जो है since it is going live on YouTube, that's why I want के जो है ना दोनों भाषाओं का मिक्स थोड़ा चला जाए, जिससे कि बाकी जो पब्लिक है जो कि अंग्रेजी कम समझती है उनको भी इसका फायदा मिले, ठीक है ना. तो जो ये वायलेशन है, ये वायलेशन को फिर धारा जो भी सेक्शंस हैं उन कौन से सेक्शन बन रहे हैं, किन सेक्शन का ऑफेंस बन रहा है, उसको साइड करते हुए इट विल गो टू द competent authority for putting their signature, then it will become चालान. सिस्टम बैकएंड पे आइडेंटिफाई करेगा कि ऑफेंडर कौन है. तो ऑफेंडर ड्राइवर है कि ऑनर है, ठीक है ना. और वो ड्राइवर और या ऑनर व्होएवर इज द ऑफेंडर, उसके पास जो है ना लेके जाएगा ऑन देयर ऐप और ऑन देयर ईमेल और व्हाट्सएप, व्हाटएवर इज अवेलेबल ऑप्शंस, एंड विल से कि देखिए यू हैव कमिटेड दिस क्राइम and you are supposed to make a payment. and that payment जो है 50% should go to the government treasury and 50% should go to the either to the volunteer who captured that evidence or to a device which has captured it. तो CCTV ने कैप्चर किया है, IoT डिवाइस ने कैप्चर किया है, उसके मालिक को जाएगा. Purpose ये है that we want to create revenue so that the more people should be benefited by that revenue, and more number people should be on the road and everywhere to capture violation. So
Yes, sir.
अभी जो बहुत कम हम violation capture कर रहे हैं and violation has become the order of the day. तो हम यहाँ से shift करके violation culture से हम compliance culture में पहुँचेंगे. तो ये तभी हो पाएगा when the more number of the eyes are capturing, more number of the devices are capturing, more number of the CCTVs are capturing, and it is going to the database, then this background things are being done, a report is being created, everything is being protected with the date, time and location and hash value, and then it is being routed just like FIR to the competent authority for his signature, because it will become challan only under the authority of the competent officer. Then that challan can be through our system will be moving to the offender, and the offender has to be given all the option to make the payment. Those modules are being even created by your KMIT only. So they can make payment, and that payment will be divided into two parts. One part will half 50% money will go to the government treasury, and 50% money should go to that volunteer who has captured it, or the owner of the device which has captured it, right?
Okay,
Then
sir.
we can even consider that some incentives should flow to the people, those who have created the technology. So then that revenue from that volunteer may be distributed 1%, 2% here and there, and it may go to the faculty, it may go to the mentor, it may go to the student, so that a revenue stream should be created which will generate the interest for upkeep of everything.
Yes, sir.
So this is more equally important rather than more important than whatever we are reading, whatever we are doing. So Samir, please let me know, क्या आपने इस बात को ठीक से समझ लिया? Have you understood this point very properly?
Yes, sir.
इसमें कोई प्रॉब्लम आपको महसूस हो रही है?
Only one thing, sir. Sir, if someone, if a person capture a violation and send it to our app, sir, we need to verify that it is a true or not.
Just a minute. We are saying for violation capturing.
Yes, sir.
We will not allow any pre-recorded video
Okay.
clip. Because what we are saying that there could be manipulation. So who will take the guarantee that it is pure? Who will take the guarantee that no software, no technology has been used to manipulate it? So, and we want to promote our app also. So they have to download our app, and they have to capture in our app. Our app, what it will be doing? The moment it will capture, it will save that evidence with the date, time and location stamp, right?
Yes,
Then a copy will be used for doing all this analysis, right? Original will be as it is. Then it will identify that which law has been violated, and along with the proofs.
Oh.
Here I would like to involve one more agency if doable, because see, people will be always in trying to challenge technology. So in our support, can we go to the expert and create a expert report also on that? So by doing so, we have created one more evidence. So the moment it is being challenged by the person, see, if it is not challenged, accepted and payment is being made, then we need not to go to the expert. If it is being challenged, then we can immediately go to expert, and his report may also be created. Rajesh, I am in video conference. तो अपन बाद में बात करते हैं, है ना? Thank you. So this point is clear?
Yes, sir. Yes,
So
sir.
you can keep in mind, because the moment say the person has to take a decision whether he agrees to our violation report or not, right? even despite the fact that it has been signed by a competent authority. So it is signed by the competent authority, and then there will be a time frame within which he can make a payment, say a week. After a week, this challan, also called the prosecution, that will be routed to the court through the ICJS. So ICJS, let me tell you what it is all about. It is the interoperable criminal justice system. Interoperable criminal justice system. So criminal justice system is now linked with the police, with the prosecution, with the jail. So taking help of that ICJS, we will be in position to push this evidence for the court, and then we will be helping out in the court proceeding. As I have explained you, that without going to court, can we even handle the court trial also?
Yes,
So
sir.
that's how it will be making little more meaningful. So here you have to really consider that our data should be in that format. Data, say, image has to be captured directly by our app. Then app has to encrypt it and protect with the date, time, and location stamp with the hash value. And we will not do anything with this. Then the image will be used for any data analysis, for checking height, width, whatever we are doing, whatever the algorithm we are applying. We will not apply it on the original piece. We will be applying it on the copy of it, so
Yes.
that our original image will never, original evidence will never come under dispute. ये point clear हुआ क्या?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Have you been clear about the processes, whether you are
Yes.
directly involved or not? Because you should know that even when you are not doing that part, someone else will be doing that part. But your input should be in the format so that the other part can be done by the other person equally smartly.
Yes, sir.
Is it fine?
Yes, sir.
इस स्टेज में आप कुछ पूछना चाहते हैं या कोई क्वेश्चन आपका हो? Because let's handle these things. Go ahead.
Sir, I have doubts regarding database. I tried creating a database, sir. I guess you have the structure of the database, like you may have the criminal database.
Sorry, but I have really forgotten. You just once your email ID. That structure is already available.
Dinesh, you personally may message him and ask him. He will send that one.
Yeah, and sir, can I get a eye-level flowchart of how we need to work? Like, I don't have the clarity, like which team is doing
I will
what.
say that rather than I am preparing it, you prepare that flow chart and we will discuss and amend it. Because क्या होगा कि हम बना के देंगे तो उसमें वो रहेगा. Let's you plan your flow chart and I will try to help out and modify if it is not acceptable.
Yes,
Is
sir.
that okay? Because we are giving you the briefing. On the basis of the briefing, you create a chart, and that flow chart you can just submit for the approval. If we will be approving it. If required, then we can have a small video chat so that everything should stay on record, and that whatever I will be briefing, that will be available to you, and you can see it later on also. Even this video chat is also, we are making live on the YouTube for this very reason only, that you and your friend can see it time and again, so that whenever there is any confusion, if that could be resolved by my briefing, then it should be resolved there. Otherwise, you can always make a call and we can plan a session or that kind of the thing, so that a smart solution could be created. Is that correct? Because if we will create a flow chart, there are chances that I will be missing the technological thing which you are having in your mind. So my flow chart might create problem for you. That's why we want that you do that. I am briefing you, you convert it to the flow chart, and I will see to it that whether it is gelling well or it needs some modification.
Sir, these all points should be included in the literature survey, sir. That what we are discussing now, all to be included in the literature survey document, sir.
Yeah, that is already I have gone through about that. It is not having the process flow diagram for each and everything. So I have
Yes.
explained in great detail. That should become the flow chart. Basically, then you have to say that that image will be captured from this, and it will come, and it will be accommodated in your database. So if you are not working on app, or app is not on your side, then you have to talk about the interface with the app, so that the data should flow to your database. Then you have to talk about the date and time, or uska jo na, it has to be properly protected, so that it should have the evidence value. Are you getting it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, great. So basically, since that many modules are being developed at the various places, even many are being done in your institute, but interoperability has to be all the time, has to be ensured. So the data will be flowing from your end to some other people, and from there something will come. So it should go very flawlessly, and at the same time, every time that as well checking creation of the blockchain technology certificates, that part has to be created and has to be tagged with that evidence, so that nobody should be in position to dispute our evidence. Is that fine?
Yes, sir.
कोई confusion
Yes.
तो नहीं है आप, otherwise you can ask question so that I can elaborate on it.
Sir, when will we get a sample data? Like, I need some samples.
I did not get it. What kind of the sample data you are saying?
Sir,
I
data
will
sets.
just say, just a minute. I will just share you few things which will be having some kind of the sample data of the that I will share with you. But it is more of a representative kind of the sample data. It is a sample data of the CCTNS. But CCTNS is not very ideal kind of the thing. So we have to create how that CCTNS data has to be converted into a smarter data set. जैसे उनका एड्रेस है, एड्रेस कंप्लीट नहीं है, हाउ फ्रॉम दैट एड्रेस वी कैन कन्वर्ट इनटू ए जियो लोकेशन. दैट विल बी आवर जॉब, राइट? सो सम पीपल आर वर्किंग ऑन दैट. सो व्हाट यू डू, their output has to go and sit in your database. So whatever is from the CCTNS, then the doing some job, the module will convert into the geolocation. That geolocation should come and sit in that database. That kind of the interoperability we have to ensure. Since it is a highly divided project in very, very micro modules, those micro modules has to talk to each other. They have to do some meaningful job, and that while doing meaningful job, we have to all the time ensure that data integrity is nowhere compromised. Data should be, I mean, that it is the hash value is the same. It is protected with the blockchain technology. That has to be done. So that kind of the practicality we have to all the time keep in mind while interacting with through the API with the various devices, with the various databases, and those modules will be like a microservices. So those modules may be available right in after purification. They may sit in database. The moment new data is would be available, they will convert into the geolocation. These backend or microservices will be doing their job. Could you understand what I am trying to say?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, regarding the facial recognition
Are you clear about the database part of it? So I will make you available the database. I will make you available database schema along with a few samples so that you can make head and tail of it. But that will be just for guiding you and to ensure that how you have, when we will be talking to the CCTNS, how we will be really getting their data and how it will be accommodated in our data set. And our real work would be in transforming that data set. For that, various modules are in already, either they have taken work or they are already taking work, and they will be available for the integration. So since you are doing doing with the data part of it, probably those modules may run on your data set, and then the process result will sit in your database. So strictly you cannot go with their data set. we have to create field for our data set. जैसे आपने कहा कि आपने जो है फेस की 360 डिग्री कैप्चर किया, so from various input, now that has to sit in your database, right? आपने चाहे एक्सप्रेशन हो, चाहे बॉडी मास इंडेक्स हो, चाहे गेट हो या गेस्टर्स हो, या उसके कपड़े हो या व्हीकल हो या बैगेज हो, so that will come and that will sit as a in a database so that you can apply it for your purpose. So now you have to make room for that. उसमें जैसे आप we are talking of the frequency, so frequency of use, we are talking about the new acquisition, so it will say anything which is encounter for the first time, it will say it is a first encounter with this kind of thing, right? चाहे वो उसका चश्मा हो, एक्सेसरीज हो, घड़ी हो, या उसका क्लॉथ्स हो या व्हीकल हो, then the backend engine probably may relate ki whether this proceed could be from the proceed of crime. Then probably even when we are having no report, it might give the indication that person has committed some crime, and probably that object which we have encountered, that may be purchased out of the proceed of the crime. That kind of the proactive things we are talking. We are not talking of very small things. We are talking of different kind of the complex analysis and leading it to the evidence, leading it to the inferences. And we want to really make use of it for different another purpose also. Is it making sense for you? Basically, we want to make use for the preventive purpose. When we will draw inference, probably this criminal is moving out from his house, and from the facial expression and from various things, from timing, etc., there is an indication that probably he is going for to commit some crime. And then we can decide that whether we have captured enough evidences against him, and then we will decide where we would like to intercept. And accordingly, we can move our proactive deployment in terms of the volunteers and police to capture him and take action. And action, there could be threefold action. Number one, if the preparation is an offense, then we can prosecute him for the preparation. If the attempt is an offense, then we will prosecute him for the attempt. And third is, if nothing else is working, then we can book him under preventive action so that his capacity to commit crime could be controlled effectively. When we are saying something, you have to understand that some part maybe need to be done by someone else. So in your concept note, you have to clearly mention that this part will be done by someone else, right? It should not give the impression that you are doing everything, so that you will identify who is really doing that part, and probably some kind of if required, a joint meeting could be held with that group also, so that even before the final product, there could be meaningful interaction between the you two, so that things could be very well tailored and it could be stitched well.
Yes, sir. So, regarding the facial recognition and the gait detection, can we get sample data in order to train our data, train our model?
You want the sample data of whom?
Of the previous criminal acts, so that we can train that to our model.
What we will do, a strong data set is already available, which we had shared with the people, those who were creating this computer portrait software. Those images would be made available to you, but I feel that they will be of the very limited use to you, because they are the photograph which has been taken and the photograph's quality is also not very good. So those kind of limitation would be there. So what we can really would like to suggest, for that we can do some kind of memicization. We can make use of the even movies, we can make use of the documentary, we can make use of the news, documentary, movies, from where you can really use clips for this very purpose, number one. Meanwhile, I am working that how that we can give the details if possible, because police do जो है requisition video clips when some criminal act has been encountered and captured by some CCTV. But that is not readily available with me. So I am still struggling that those things should come to me, and the moment that is available with me, that I will share with you. But what I wanted, please don't wait for that. Till that, can we do some little less work, and then we will do, once we will test with whatever the data set is available with you, then we will be giving them a real data set, which will be the moment it comes to me, and then we will be in position to, we will be retraining our model. Okay?
Yes. Till then we'll be training.
ये part आपको doable लग रहा है कि नहीं लग रहा है?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
इसमें जो सोर्स है, हमने क्या कहा कि अपन मूवी से ले सकते हैं, अपन जो है न्यूज से ले सकते हैं, जहां कहीं से अपन को इम्पोर्टेंट चीजें मिल रही हैं. आजकल हर चीज के जो है ना, हर चैनल्स जो है ना, दे आर ऑलरेडी अवेलेबल. तो चाहे वो अलग अलग जो है स्टेट से ये सारी न्यूज आइटम, न्यूज जो है ना, देयर क्लिप्स आर अवेलेबल. अपने काम की न्यूज क्लिप निकालो एंड देन यूज दोस न्यूज क्लिप्स फॉर ट्रेनिंग आवर मॉडल.
Yes.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Because the data set which or photo set I will make available, I am having the strong view that it will not serve your purpose, because they are, you presume they are just something like a प्लेट लेके जो है ना किसी क्रिमिनल में उसमें लिखा है कि अपराध क्रमांक सो एंड सो में इसको अरेस्ट किया जा रहा है, उसका फोटो है, फोटो की क्वालिटी भी एकदम घटिया, तो उससे आपका तो मकसद पूरा नहीं होगा ना बेटे.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Would it serve your purpose?
Yes.
I am of the view that it will not serve your purpose.
Sir, we just wanted to know that what kind of data will be available after our model is done, so that
Basically, this data set is distributed, right? I am still struggling to get hold of it, right? As you know, there are various forces. They don't want such kind of the things to happen. Still, we want to make it happen.
yes.
Yes.
Are you getting my point?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So, what I am saying, waiting for the real data, till then, can we do some meaningful job by having alternate data which could be serve our purpose to a close quarter, right? Till we get the real data, because for that probably we have to invoke government and things like that, so that whatever that internal resistance is coming from any quarter could be handled effectively. Because within the police also, people don't want that efficient system should be created. But as a citizen, it should be our right. As a police reform, it is my responsibility that such system should take place, जिससे कि जो है ना हम क्राइम फ्री भारत भी बना सके और रेवेन्यू स्ट्रीम भी पैदा कर सकें, जिससे each and everyone should be benefited. But probably the similar जो है feeling may not be on all the sides.
Yes, sir.
So इस लिमिटेशन को हम तब तक स्मार्टली हैंडल करने की कोशिश करें जब तक कि वो लिमिटेशन दूर नहीं हो जाए. So
Yes.
we are trying to handle this constraint, and we will try to make that data available, because that data would be incidentally kept some CCTV, and it has come to the police as a requisition. Now that data set is a distributed data set. It has to be captured and should be brought at one place, and then it should be available to you so that you can make use of it. But at the same time, similar things are happening in the news, this, that. So whether it is a documentary, whether it is a press news or say media news, or it is a movie, we can identify the right kind of the clips to serve our purpose. That stuff is available in open source, so you can easily identify things of your, and that will make your work little more original also.
Yes.
Right?
Yes,
And
sir.
meanwhile, whatever you are saying, that we will be doing, number one. Number two, we have to create nodes around the cluster, because that kind of the nodes are not available. That is our brainchild कि हमें वो nodes create करना चाहिए. हमें उनका जो है ना normal course में उनका face, expression, gestures, body mass distribution, gait, clothes, vehicle or all everything will be captured. Now that kind of the data set is not available because पुलिस सीसीटीवी वहां नहीं लगाती है. पुलिस सीसीटीवी लगाती है जहाँ पे लाइन ऑर्डर हो जाएगा, पुलिस सीसीटीवी लगाएगी चौराहे पे जहाँ पे व्हीकल का कैप्चरिंग करेंगे. लेकिन क्राइम को प्रिवेंशन के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से भारत को क्राइम फ्री बनाने के हिसाब से ना तो सोच रही है, ना ही वैसा डाटा सेट अवेलेबल है. राइट. सो व्हाट वी कैन डू, वी कैन मिमिक क्या करें. मान लीजिए कि आपका जो कॉलेज है या आपका जो भी जहाँ पे भी है, इवन आपकी कॉलोनी है, मान लीजिए दैट इज ए क्रिमिनल क्लस्टर. राइट. नाउ कैन बी मैनेज विद दैट फीड. राइट. यदि आपको वो फीड मिलने में दिक्कत हो रही है तो हम अपनी तरफ से आपको जो है ना वहाँ चिट्ठी लिख सकते हैं. वी कैन स्पीक टू योर लोकल अथॉरिटी, योर सोसाइटी, एंड वी मे रिक्वेस्ट फॉर दिस बिगर पर्पस दे शुड जो है मेक देयर फीड शुड बी मेड अवेलेबल. उसमें हम क्या मान लें, अज्यूम करिए कि साहब जो है ना ये कॉलोनी है, यहाँ पे जो सीसीटीवी आपके उसमें लगा हुआ है, लेट्स प्रिज्यूम कि वो क्रिमिनल क्लस्टर है. नाउ व्हाट बेस्ट जो है ना वी कैन कैप्चर द डिटेल्स, हाउ बेस्ट वी कैन मेक यूज ऑफ इट. राइट. फिर हम क्या करें, हम खुद जो है उसके डेमोज कराएं कि उसमें अपने ही दोस्तों से वहां से निकल रहे हैं प्रिपरेशन के साथ, एंड एट द टाइमिंग जनरली क्रिमिनल विल बी मूविंग आउट, एंड इन द वे द क्रिमिनल्स मूव्स आउट. आप मूवमेंट देखते हो कैसे क्रिमिनल बाहर निकलते हैं, डंडा लेके, कई बार कुछ लेके, कई बार कुछ लेके. और सो इन डिफरेंट सिनेरियो क्रिमिनल कैसे निकलेगा, उसकी टाइमिंग से क्या निष्कर्ष निकालेंगे, एसोसिएशन से क्या निष्कर्ष निकालेंगे उसके, और उसको रास्ते की जो है ना जो है नोट्स भी कैप्चर करेंगे. तो जैसे ही वो घर से निकलता है, हमारे सिस्टम में कहा जाता है ही इज लाइकली टू कमिट क्राइम, सो इट विल बी अलर्टिंग द नियर बाय नोट्स. So nearby note, the moment this person is confirmed, they will give a positive detail. So it means कि आपका criminal अभी उस point तक पहुंच गया है. Then probably we can use the data analytics and algorithm to find out कि वो और कहाँ जा सकता है, and this hot spot पे वो जा रहा होगा, or he is going, or he intend to commit crime in some new location.
Yes.
देखिए इस जर्नी में हमें जो रेडीमेड डाटा सेट है या जो रियल डाटा सेट है उसकी अवेलेबिलिटी में थोड़ी सी देर लगेगी. तो कैन बी मिमिक टिल वी आर हैविंग द हैंड ऑन द रियल डाटा सेट.
Yes.
We can try to take the.
जो मैंने गाइडेंस दिया है इससे आपका मकसद कुछ पूरा हो जाएगा.
Yes, sir. We can try, sir.
एंड देन जो है ना जब हम रियल डाटा बेस पे उसकी ट्रेनिंग करेंगे तो दैट वी विल डू एफ्रेश. तब तक हमारा जो है ना टेस्टिंग वेस्टिंग होके नाउ वी आर हैविंग द कॉन्फिडेंस ऑन आवर मॉडल, वी आर हैविंग दैट हाउ वी विल बी स्टोरिंग इन आवर डाटा सेट, हाउ इट विल बी फंक्शनिंग. हमने टेस्ट कर लिया है हाइपोथेटिकल डाटा बेस से. राइट. नाउ वी विल डू द सेम थिंग फॉर द रियल जो है ना क्रिमिनल्स, एंड देन वी विल ट्राई टू जो है डू दैट. राइट. अब अज्यूम करिए कि जो डाटा सेट है उसी डाटा सेट में जो जहाँ का हम फीड ले रहे हैं, जो करिए अपनी कॉलोनी के, अपने मोहल्ले के, या अपनी मल्टी स्टोरी बिल्डिंग या उसके जहाँ से भी सीसीटीवी का फीड ले रहे हैं, तो वहाँ के लोगों के नाम डिटेल्स हमने असली या आर्टिफिशियल उसमें डाल दिए. देन हमने उसमें एड्रेस वगैरह कुछ डाल दिया. सो वी कैन टेस्ट बाय क्रिएटिंग ए काइंड ऑफ ए डाटा व्हिच मे नॉट बी रियल. राइट.
Yes.
And जब हमारा मॉडल रेडी हो जाएगा, till then probably we will be having all latent boards to make that happen, and
Yes,
we would be in position to run it on the real data set, and then for that we will be doing retraining of our model.
Yes.
Okay. जब तक ये नहीं करते, जब तक हमारे जो आपने जो इस तरीके का क्लोज जो है ना डाटा सेट क्रिएट किया है या क्लोज उसको मेमो किया है या डेमो किया है, उसको ही हम डेमोन्स्ट्रेशन के लिए यूज करेंगे.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
इससे आपका कुछ काम चल जाएगा.
Yes, sir.
ग्रेट. चलिए let's move to the next point.
Yes, Shrikant, Ayush has said something na?
Yes, sir. Regarding the model, we are done with the facial recognition, and the output of the facial recognition, we are feeding that to the MongoDB.
Can you if it is ready, please show me so that I will have the better confidence, and I would like to then see the data structure also where you are putting that information. And I would like to remind you that I have briefed many times that what kind of the information we would like to store, what kind of the inferences we would like to draw. So once the things will go in database, then probably we will be using some algorithm, some calculation for drawing the inference, and then those inference will be guiding us for the future course of action. So if we have to, that input is to be used for requisitioning, we will use for the requisitioning. If that information is used for the further investigation, then we will use for the further investigation. If that input is having the evidence value, then we will identify it as the evidence value. And the moment something is having evidence value, then we have to all the time bother who will prove it in court of law.
Yes, sir, but the person who has the source code has not joined the session today, so we can't show you the running model today.
Okay. अभी आप कुछ दिखाने की स्थिति में हैं? Are you in position to show something to me?
No, sir. I just wanted to say that the database we are using is MongoDB. We are not using RDBMS because the data is very huge in size. So we are using MongoDB for in the database part.
So आप हमसे उसका can you show me the schema so that we can even say that what things are available, what is not available. Then you can say this it will be stored like this. Just you can share the schema of your database.
So
Yes,
we'll prepare a small report on it and we'll mail it, sir.
Great.
Sir,
Great.
I
I think that will serve the purpose. So I will apply mine, and if required, then we will have a separate discussion. I think we need to have more frequent discussion so that
Yes.
these things will stay on record, and you need not to really store.
Yes.
yes.
So your mentor should always be available to you to guide you.
Sure, sir.
Yes.
Sure, sir.
So since that it's a huge data set cannot come in a presentation, so I think we can discuss on the schema side, and then you have to somewhere write that what inferences we intend to draw from, because in many videos may not be to you, but for the other videos which are available on the channel, I suggest that you can see the relevant videos and take out the point from there, because
Yes.
I try to really repeat it various times. So probably that may not have come to your briefing, but at the same time they are there. So
Yes, sir.
if you can go through and can list down, and if that can be figured out in your mail, that you have understood it properly, and this is the way it will be done, this kind of the inferences will be drawn. Say for example, if he is using a cloth, so how frequently that cloth is being used, whether it is being having some relationship, that what cloth he will be wearing when he is going to commit crime, whether जो है we can identify the new acquisition, उसने कोई नई चीज खरीदी है, then
Yes, sir.
can we
Last time also
estimate-
you told this point.
just a minute, can we estimate a rough cost of that, so that we can draw the inference कि क्या ये acquisition किसी crime की proceed से आया है क्या? Though those will be conjecture only, but those conjecture would be helping to either for the verification or for interrogation. Then we can convert into a lead, and we will say कि please जो है question that person, because that is indicative of some criminal activity has taken place. Probably it may not have been reported, but at the same time some crime has been done. अब मान लो किसी ने गाड़ी खरीदी है, और गाड़ी खरीदने की तो उसकी औकात नहीं है, तो गाड़ी कहाँ से आई उसके पास? इसका मतलब उसने कोई क्राइम किया है, कोई क्रिमिनल एक्टिविटी की है, उसकी प्रोसीड से उसने ही क्राइम किया है. जैसे एज्यूम करिए कि कोई इवन ब्यूरोक्रेट है, कोई गवर्नमेंट ऑफिशियल है, कोई वो है, और उसने अपने औकात से बड़ी चीज खरीदी है, then इट इज ए क्लियर इंडिकेशन दैट उसने कुछ ना कुछ गड़बड़ किया, उसको कहीं ना कहीं से कुछ घूस मिली है, उसने कोई करप्शन किया है. तो क्रिमिनल के केस में क्रिमिनल एक्टिविटी होगी. If it is a white collar crime, it is a corruption crime, so probably it may be proceed of a so-called bribery or things like that.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So, and you have to imagine that with this little contribution, which we should work very hard, we will be transforming our nation. जिसको कोई नहीं करना चाह रहा, जिसको कोई नहीं करना चाह रहा है, उसको हम करना चाह रहे हैं, और उसको करके हम जो है ना अपने देश को एकदम एक अलग स्पान में ले जा सकते हैं.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So this part, so now these things, not only the capturing, they to great extent they are जो है ना, we have to apply data analytics. We have to draw the inferences. Inferences has to go and sit in the database. Then those inferences should trigger some action. So what kind of the action it is triggering? For the verification, for interrogation, for evidence value, क्या होगा, ठीक है ना? यदि अपन को लगता है कि उसको हमें उसकी CDR से क्रॉस वेरीफाई करना है, तो रिक्विजिशनिंग ऑफ द CDR विल बी क्रिएटेड. यदि हमको लगता है कि उसे हमें बैंक ट्रांजैक्शन से देखना है, तो उस पीरियड का हम बैंक ट्रांजैक्शन में चले जाएंगे.
Yes.
CDR से हमें उसके जो बैंक से कंफर्मेशन आते हैं उसके डिटेल मिल जाएंगे. तो देन वी कैन कम टू नो दैट कि उसका अकाउंट नंबर क्या है. वी कैन रिक्विजिशन डिटेल्स अबाउट द बैंक ट्रांजैक्शन. सो हम अंदर घुसेंगे तो बहुत सारी चीजें हम निकाल के लेके आएंगे. बट योर डाटा सेट शुड सर्व दिस पर्पसेस. नंबर वन, it should जो है do the processing to draw inferences. The inferences should sit over there. Then it has to take a decision कि उससे triggering क्या हो. क्योंकि अपन क्या कह रहे हैं, ऑटोमेटेड इन्वेस्टिगेशन सपोर्ट सिस्टम. इसका मतलब है कि हमें कुछ इनपुट जो है वो आईओ से मिलेगा, कुछ सीन ऑफ क्राइम से डिटेल मिलेंगे. देन जो है फाइनल डिसीजन जो है इज बीइंग टेकन थ्रू द ऑटोमेटेड सिस्टम. तो जो इन्वेस्टिगेटिंग ऑफिसर भी बता रहा है वो भी अपने पास आ रहा है, जो इन्वेस्टिगेटिंग ऑफिसर जो है ना पूछना चाह रहा है वो भी अपने पास आ रहा है. एट द सेम टाइम हमसे कोई नहीं पूछ रहा है तो भी हम जो है ना अपना निष्कर्ष निकालेंगे कि ये काम हमें करना है. तो दैट विल ओनली बी डूएबल यदि हम जो है उसको डाटा सेट में बिठाएंगे. देन उसका जो है ना रिजल्ट को प्रोसेस करके कुछ इन्फ्रेंसेस ड्रॉ करेंगे. फिर उस इन्फ्रेंसेस से अकेला इन्फ्रेंस वहां जाके डाटाबेस में बैठ गया, उससे किसका भला होगा. तो उसका जो है ना फॉलो अप एक्शन क्या होगा. तो फॉलो अप एक्शन कौन करेगा? मॉडल का वॉलंटियर कर सकता है, पुलिस वाला कर सकता है. यदि उसमें ऑलरेडी पर्याप्त एविडेंस आ गए हैं तो हम उसको उस एविडेंस को डेट टाइम एंड लोकेशन के साथ स्टैम्प करके ऑलरेडी रखा हुआ है. वी विल मार्क इट फॉर कोर्ट. जब हम कोर्ट को मार्क करेंगे तो कहीं हमें ये भी अप्लाई करना है दिमाग में कि हु विल प्रूव इट इन कोर्ट ऑफ लॉ. कोर्ट में तो कोई ना कोई किसी ना किसी को तो प्रूव करना होती है. तो हु विल प्रूव इट? या तो कोई एक्सपर्ट प्रूव करे. तो इसलिए जहां कहीं भी मौका मिलता है, टेक्नोलॉजी जो हमें मदद की है उसको हम किसी एक्सपर्ट के पास ले जाएं और एक एक्सपर्ट से भी सर्टिफिकेट क्रिएट करा लें. तो इससे क्या फायदा होगा? नहीं तो हमें हर जगह पे प्रूव करने के लिए सिस्टम एक्सपर्ट को भेजना पड़ेगा. या हम बिना सिस्टम एक्सपर्ट को भेजे उस एक्सपर्ट को भेज देंगे. एक्सपर्ट विल बी प्रोवाइडिंग दोज एविडेंस.
Yes, sir.
ये बात
Yes,
समझ
sir.
में आई क्या आपके?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
बिकॉज आपको हमेशा ये दिमाग में लगाना है कि जो ये चीज आई है हम इसको कैसे यूज करें. हमें कोर्ट में यूज करना है तो कोर्ट के बारे में तो क्या देते हैं, कोर्ट की इमेज क्या होती है, आंख में पट्टी बंधी हुई और सामने तोला रखी हुई है. राइट. तो कोर्ट को तो कुछ दिख नहीं रहा है, तो कोर्ट के सामने जो कुछ कहा जाएगा वो सुनेगी. राइट.
Yes.
तो
Yes,
कोई
sir.
तो सुनाने वाला होना चाहिए. अब यदि सुनाने वाला टेक्नोलॉजी वाला है तो टेक्नोलॉजी की उनको समझ है नहीं, तो कौन प्रूव करेगा? इसका मतलब है कि हमें फिर ढेर सारे सिस्टम एक्सपर्ट भेजना पड़ेंगे और वो सिस्टम एक्सपर्ट शुड बी इन पोजीशन टू डिपोज इन कोर्ट. राइट.
Yes.
इससे ज्यादा मुझे आसान क्या तरीका लग रहा है कि हमारे पास तो अपना टेक्निकल रिपोर्ट है ही है, तो हम उसको सिस्टम को भी एक एक्सपर्ट बना के बाद में थोड़ा एविडेंस एक्ट में चेंज करके वी विल मेक दैट सिस्टम रिपोर्ट आल्सो एक्सेप्टेबल एज एन एक्सपर्ट. राइट.
Yes.
एट द सेम टाइम हम पूरी प्रोसीड को लेके जाएंगे किसी एक्सपर्ट के पास और उसके रियल टाइम बेसिस पे उसके ऐप में वो अवतरित हो जाएंगे. उसके ऐप में उसकी रिपोर्ट बनाने के लिए सब फीचर डाल देंगे. so he can do the job very smartly. और उसका इंटरेस्ट बना रहे तो उसको एक रेवेन्यू स्ट्रीम दे देंगे. तो हर जगह रेवेन्यू स्ट्रीम बांटने का मुझे बहुत शौक है, क्योंकि उससे जो है ना धन बढ़ेगा तो पर कैपिटा इनकम बढ़ेगी, लोगों की परचेजिंग पावर बढ़ेगी, हमारी जीडीपी बढ़ेगी. तो हमारा सिर्फ क्राइम को डिटेक्ट करना मकसद नहीं है, हमारा ये भी मकसद है हाउ वी कैन रियली make our country wealthy, how we can make it so that people can earn more. अभी क्या है कि हर कोई जो शिक्षा का पा रहा है, जो भी एजुकेशन कर रहा है, वो नौकरी के लिए दौड़ रहा है. आई एम सेइंग क्यों नौकरी के लिए दौड़े? आपका जो स्पेशलाइजेशन है, आप घर पे बैठे हुए हैं, आप उस स्पेशलाइजेशन के हमारे वॉलंटियर बन गए, राइट? एंड सिस्टम आपको जो है ना अर्निंग अपॉर्चुनिटी पुश कर रहा है, आपको सिर्फ रेवेन्यू स्ट्रीम मिल रहा है. मालूम पड़ा है कि टोटल रेवेन्यू इज मोर देन what you can earn the job, then why you should do the job? तो कहीं आप स्टार्टअप के थ्रू कमा रहे हो, कभी एंटरप्रेन्योर बन के कमा रहे हो, कभी ऐसे आप एक्सपर्ट वॉलंटियर बन के भी कमा रहे हो. तो लॉ के वॉलंटियर्स हो सकते हैं, इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स के वॉलंटियर्स हो सकते हैं, इसके वॉलंटियर्स हो सकते हैं. और चूंकि इतनी सारी चीजें कैप्चर होके पुश की जा रही हैं, तो दैट विल बी क्रिएटिंग रेवेन्यू फ्लो. तो यहाँ हम वायलेशन में बहुत ह्यूज रेवेन्यू क्रिएट कर रहे हैं, और उस रेवेन्यू को हम बांटना भी चाह रहे हैं. तो एक तो हम सीधे ही बांट दे रहे हैं, और दूसरा जो है ना, तो द गवर्नमेंट एक्सपेंडिचर उसको बांटेंगे.
यस सर.
राइट? तो आपको अपने डाटाबेस में इन चीजों पे जो मैं बारीकी से कह रहा हूँ, उसको बहुत अच्छे ढंग से जो है ना डिपिक्ट करना पड़ेगा. एंड हाउ दोज इन्फ्लुएंसेस विल बी ड्रॉन, किसी चाहे एल्गोरिथम का यूज करके निकालें, या हम चाहे कोई कैलकुलेशन का यूज करके निकालें, या हम कुछ पैटर्न को जो है ना यूज पैटर्न रीडिंग करके निकालें इन्फ्लुएंसेस, व्हाटएवर वी आर डूइंग इट, बट वो इन्फ्लुएंसेस ड्रॉ होने चाहिए. इज इट मेकिंग सेंस?
Yes, sir.
ओके, चलिए देन आस्क द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. जो आपके हॉट स्पॉट और क्रिमिनल क्लस्टर है, ये हम हिस्टोरिकल डाटा सेट से निकालेंगे, राइट? क्योंकि उनको जब हमने अरेस्ट किया है, तो उनके घर के एड्रेसेस हैं, उनके सब चीज़ों के जो है ना वेल लेने वालों के एड्रेस हैं, उनके वकीलों के एड्रेस हैं, उनके जहाँ पर उन्होंने क्राइम किया है उसके एड्रेसेस हैं. उन एड्रेसेस को जियो लोकेशन में कन्वर्ट करके वहाँ से उनको रीड करके देन वी विल ट्राई टू क्रिएट हॉटस्पॉट, वी विल ट्राई टू क्रिएट क्रिमिनल क्लस्टर्स. और इन क्रिमिनल क्लस्टर के अराउंड हमको सीसीटीवी और आईओटी डिवाइस की एक चेन क्रिएट करना है, और जितने रूट क्रिमिनल क्लस्टर से हॉटस्पॉट की तरफ जा रहे हैं, वहाँ पर भी रास्ते में नोट्स क्रिएट करना है, सो दैट सेक्शन 8 और 9 के तहत जो अपराध करने के पहले और अपराध करने के बाद जो एविडेंसेस होते हैं, हम उनको भी कैप्चर कर रहे हैं. आज की पुलिस इसको कैप्चर नहीं कर रही, तो हम वो काम करेंगे जो आज की पुलिस नहीं कर पा रही.
यस सर.
बेटे पूछना जरूर है, या तो जो है ना, जो मेरी बात समझ गए हैं, इफ यू हैव अंडरस्टूड मी प्रॉपर्ली, देन यू क्रिएट इन ए और इधर इन ए फ्लो चार्ट या इन डाटाबेस, then what kind of the calculation it will be doing, whether the calculation will be AI based or it will be based on the calculation, those things you have to come out very clearly. What algorithm will you be using? अब उस एल्गोरिथम को हम किस डाटा सेट को से काफी कन्वर्ट कराएंगे टिल यू आर हैविंग अ रियल डाटा सेट, सो दैट हम एक उसका एक क्लोज क्रिएट करके अपना काम बना लें टिल वी आर गेटिंग द एक्सेस टू द रियल डाटा सेट.
यस सर.
Yes, sir.
इज इट क्लियर?
Yes, sir.
ठीक, चलिए अब आगे बढ़े.
Any doubts, sir? Nothing, no?
No, ma'am.
Nothing.
Sir, this flowchart should be in this literature survey document, sir.
Sir, should we create a new one for this, or we can
I
update
think
previous
they
one?
have to be basically a broad data जो है ना फ्लो चार्ट होना चाहिए. देन हर चीज की छोटे-छोटे चीज का डिटेल जो है ना फ्लो चार्ट होना चाहिए.
Yes, sir.
Because each input will be requiring a very detailed data set. तो एक फ्लो चार्ट से आपका काम नहीं चलेगा. Then you have to really understand कि जो फ्लो चार्ट में जो डाटा पहुंच रहा है, where the data will sit. Then how the data you will be processing. Then how you will be integrating with the experts and how you will be integrating with the police, how you will be integrating with the public, जिसको अपन volunteer कहते हैं. तो ये जो अपन चीज क्रिएट कर रहे हैं, ये जादू की पुड़िया पैदा कर रहे हैं। इस जादू की पुड़िया से हम लोग जो है ना सबको ही जोड़ ले रहे हैं, पुलिस को जोड़ ले रहे हैं, पूरी पब्लिक को जोड़ ले रहे हैं, एक्सपर्ट को जोड़ रहे हैं, टेक्नोलॉजी को जोड़ रहे हैं, डाटाबेस को जोड़ रहे हैं, IoT और CCTV डिवाइसेस को जोड़ रहे हैं। तो ये लिटरली एक जादू की छड़ी होगी जो बहुत सारी चीजों को, जो कि पुलिस के रिकॉर्ड में भी नहीं है, जो ऑफेंस रिपोर्ट भी नहीं है, उन ऑफेंस को भी हम विद एविडेंस पकड़ने में और प्रोसिक्यूट करने की स्थिति में आ जाएंगे। और हम जो है फरियादी के पास खुद जाके पहुंच सकते हैं कि साहब ये इस तरीके का ऑफेंस हुआ है, प्लीज कम एंड रिपोर्ट द केस विद अस, वी नो हु हैज कमिटेड इट, वी नो वेयर द प्रॉपर्टी इज। एंड सो अभी हम जो है ना हमेशा इस बात के लिए स्ट्रगल करते हैं कि हमारी FIR कैसे हो जाए और कैसे इन्वेस्टिगेशन हो जाए। हम उसकी जर्नी इतनी आगे तक निकल जाएंगे कि हम जो ऑलरेडी हैं उनको तो डिटेक्ट कर ही लेंगे, जो रिपोर्ट नहीं हुए हैं या जो लिखे नहीं गए हैं हम उनको भी डिटेक्शन की स्थिति में आ जाएंगे। मेरे ख्याल से आप लोग टेक्निकल लोग हो, आप यू कुड मेक आउट दैट व्हाटएवर आई एम सेइंग इट इज डूएबल। यदि आप इफ यू फील कि आई एम सेइंग समथिंग व्हिच इज beyond your comprehension, then I will explain in little greater detail.
Yes, sir. We'll try whatever the aspects you have said us.
Okay. So first of all, उसको जो है ना we have to put it into the एक structure format where जो है आपकी जो है team lead जो है मैडम दीपिका जी जो है, she can also help you out as a mentor. I can also help you out, right? And यदि कुछ लगता है तो हम इंटर इंस्टीट्यूशनल ग्रुप के को भी एड्रेस करने का सिस्टम निकाल सकते हैं, सो दैट जहाँ पे वो काम हो रहा है उनको भी हम इन्वॉल्व कर सकते हैं। जैसे मान लो जो जियो लोकेशन में कन्वर्ट कर रहे हैं एड्रेसेस को, जो या और कोई काम कर रहे हैं, जब हम उनकी ब्रीफिंग करेंगे देन वी विल मेक इट ए पॉइंट कि आप भी उस ग्रुप में पार्ट रहें, सो दैट ऑन द रियल टाइम बेसिस यू कैन इंटरेक्ट एंड यू कैन आइडेंटिफाई कि क्या हुआ है। एक चीज अपन को ये ध्यान रखना है कि हमें अपने काम की चीजें यदि नहीं है तो मिमिक करना है, जरूरत है तो हम मॉक एक्सरसाइज करें और उसके डाटा सेट को हम यूज करें टू ड्रॉ द इन्फ्रेंसेस व्हिच वी इंटेंड टू क्लेम, राइट? एंड देन जो है वी विल ट्राई टू जो है ना गेट होल्ड ऑफ द रियल डाटा सेट टू डू द जॉब। नहीं तो जो है वी विल से कि हमने जो है जो डाटा सेट क्रिएट किया इसके माध्यम से हमने इन्फ्रेंस ड्रॉ किए हैं एंड वी आर सक्सेसफुल इन दिस, देन वी विल प्रूव के साहब हमने जो मिमिक किया था उसको ही हम एक्सपर्ट के पास ले गए हैं। नाउ दिस इज द एक्सपर्ट एंड हाउ वी कुड रियली हेल्प द एक्सपर्ट टू डू द जॉब, क्वालिटी जॉब ऑलमोस्ट ऑन द रियल टाइम बेसिस। तो फिर डिले भी नहीं होगा, कोर्ट का प्रोसिक्यूशन भी फास्ट होगा, तो हम जो है बहुत अच्छा काम कर पाएंगे।
Yes.
Yes, sir.
तो और कुछ पूछना चाहते हैं बेटे?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay. So if there is no other question, may I request Deepika ji थोड़ा सा
Sir.
उसको summarize कर दीजिए and then you can propose vote of thanks and close it.
Yes, sir. With all these inputs, sir, we'll modify our existing document of literature survey and we'll be sending you very soon, sir.
Okay.
With all these inputs. And thank you for your valuable time, sir, for spending with us and giving us guidelines. And thank you for your feedback, sir.
So thanks from this side also. And let me once again convey my appreciation that your team has done wonderfully well. And
Yes, sir. We're doing well, sir.
they are on the right track. And
Yes.
now a time in next briefing जो है they should demonstrate also something.
Yes, sir. Actually, today two
We'll
members are
demonstrate.
missing, sir. Actually, so by the next time, all say 5 members will be there, and they will show you some part of implementation, sir.
Correct. And wherever they are in need of data set, we will look and we will use our imagination how to जो है create a similar kind of the data set so that our part purpose should be served.
Yes, sir. And sir, one more request, sir. If they have any, means if they want any sample data sets or database, if they can request you personally, sir. They can mail you personally, sir, if they have any doubts, sir.
No issue.
Okay,
But
sir.
they,
Okay.
but many time I don't check on so much mail come that probably I miss many mail, right?
Okay,
So
sir.
I suggest them that they should reiterate on WhatsApp, and if required, then they can make a call also.
Okay, sir. Sure,
Okay.
sir.
So something like that.
Thank you,
And
sir.
generally, I
Yes, sir.
try to respond. So if I have not responded, then make it sure that you should take it for the granted that I have not read your input, right?
Okay, sir. Okay,
So
sir.
that need to be reiterated. So I'm sorry because I am so much occupied. This
We
is
know,
happening
sir.
with me now. So I'm really sorry for that.
No, sir. You are responding, sir. You are responding a lot. Thank you, sir.
So once again, thank you, and thank you once and all, and doing good job. Lot of appreciation from my side, and let's take a pledge that it is our country. We will change the face and fate of our country through this joint venture, through the joint application of it. We will create a futuristic solution which will be transforming this nation. Jai Hind,
Yes.
Jai Bharat.
Jai Hind, sir. Jai
Jai
Hind.
Hind,
Thank you, sir.
Jai Hind,
Jai
sir.
Hind, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Bye bye.
Bye, sir. Soumya, end చేస్తావా? Will you end it?
Yes, ma'am.
We are leaving, ma. Okay.